Hey my loves, what's up and welcome back to the Trend Diaries. I'm Nidhi and in today's video I'll be testing out something really exciting. So Dyson has recently launched their next generation Airwrap multi-styler and I finally got my hands on it. I'm super excited to try it out. So that is how the box looks like. On the inside you get all of the attachments and the Airwrap multi-styler in here. So I have the color copper nickel. That looks so cool, right? Now you must be thinking what's new about this Airwrap multi-styler. So let me tell you, Dyson has re-engineered all of the attachments for faster and easier styling and without much heat damage. So like that's the best part. So let me show you all the attachments up close real quick. The Quanda smoothing dryer. There are two brushes, the firm brush, the soft brush, two Airwrap barrels 30mm and 40mm, round volumizing brush, the Airwrap styler, the filter cleaning brush which can be used to clean your machine from time to time. I just got out of the shower and that is how my hair looks like. You can see I am a complete frizzy person. Okay, so I would just brush my hair out and then use a hair protectant to protect my hair. So the first attachment is the Quanda smoothing dryer, which has replaced their earlier pre-styling dryer. Now this has two different modes, one with which you can easily take your hair from wet to damp with pre-styling mode, and secondly you can just finish off your hairstyle with the smoothing function by sticking all of the flyaways down. To use it as a hairdryer, you simply have to twist the top tip towards the smaller arrow, and this is the opening from where the air would come out to dry your hair. So I have attached it like so and then switch it on. This has dried down my hair to 80%, and then to switch to the smoothing mode, all you have to do is twist this knob to the double arrows and then that's it. You have changed the mode very easily, and now the air will flow from either of the side of the ridges here, and this top part is great for deciding from which side the air would come out from. As you can see over here, this one moves from left to right if you tap it. So when you tap it on your head, you can hear the click, right? And now the air would come from the ridge right here. On the other side, just tap it on your head and then the airflow would come from beneath. Also, you should use this mode only on dry hair. So let's test it. You can see my frizz right away. I'm like a frizzy person, so let's test this out. So you can see my flyaways right here, and this side looks so much neat and polished, and I do not have flyaways sticking out everywhere. So I really like this. This basically just smoothens your hair down and sticks all of the flyaways or broken hair to give you that smooth look, which I personally love because I am a frizzy hair person, and this, oh my god, looks so good. Moving on to the brushes, the firm one is for more thicker and coarse hair. In the new brush attachments, all of the bristles move, creating more effective Quanda effect so that your hair goes better along with the airflow. And the second brush, which is great for finer and thin hair, and I would be using this one. You can see my hair looks so much more smoother, sleeker and straight. Oh my god, I love how my hair is looking. Now let's switch to the curling barrels. Now in the new Airwrap multi-styler, you get one barrel for both the directions, unlike the earlier one wherein you had to switch between barrels for different directions. So you do get one in 30 mm and the other one in 40 mm. Now this has made curling your hair even more easier because now you can simply change the direction by rotating the cool tip here, and this would change the direction of the airflow. This way, by simply rotating the top knob, you can get both clockwise and anti-clockwise curls with just one barrel by simply changing the direction of the airflow. And what I found really cool about these barrels is that the Quanda airflow attracts and self-wraps the hair around the barrel, which looks super cool. Let's try the 30 mm one. And I would use a high heat and high airflow and switching this on. After each curl, I would use a cool shot for 10 seconds to set them. Side is the curled voluminous side, while this side is the straight and sleek side. I purposely did this two styles so that you can see both of them side by side. Like this side has so much more volume now, but you can also get great blowouts using this brush attachment, which is their volumizing brush. So I'll switch this. Volumizing brush attachment is great if you want to add volume or bounce to your hair, or if you want to add volume at your roots. It would just give you those voluminous blowouts real easily. You just have to switch this on. You see how good that wave looks. Look at it. You can see so quickly it has added like so much more volume to my roots. So that is the curl side, and this is the more straight, sleek, smooth side, and that was me testing out the new Dyson Airwrap multi-styler. Now coming to my thoughts, I love the smoothing dryer and the curling barrels. I feel these are definitely worth upgrading because the smoothing dryer is such a lifesaver. Like coming from a frizzy hair person like me, this gave me such a polished, smooth end look. I loved it. And they also have a longer hair curler barrels in 30 mm and 40 mm as an option, and I feel like this tool is so convenient, easy to use, and especially for a person like me who is extremely bad at styling, this is such a lifesaver. And also it saves so much time. You just need to get the hang of it and then you'll be good to go within minutes. Overall, I feel this is a very innovative technology which makes hairstyling much more convenient, easier, faster, with less heat damage. So you too can get yours from Dyson.in or at the nearest Dyson store at 45,900 rupees. And if you already own the Airwrap, no worries. I love the fact that you can also buy just the attachments and upgrade them at 14,900 rupees. So that is super cool. And that was me, Nidhi, testing out the new Dyson Airwrap multi-styler. You can find all of the product links mentioned in the description box. And yes, let me know what you think about the Dyson, and I shall meet you all soon in my next video. Till then, take care, namaste, and keep trending.